Hey guys, welcome back to Daisy Crochet, or welcome if you're new. So today's video is going to be a vlog, and I'm really excited to share it with you because we're going to be trying out Feels Like Bliss yarn for the very first time. And I've wanted to try out this yarn literally for years because I've seen so many other crocheters try it out, and also Fiona, the other person on this channel, tried it out like probably a month or two ago, and she really liked it, but I didn't know if I was gonna like it. So I went out and bought 3 skeins of the Feels Like Bliss yarn, and I tried it out. I made a super cute plushie, and I can't wait for you guys to see the final result and to hear my thoughts on the Feels Like Bliss yarn, because I really wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or hate it, like not even be able to finish the project, hate it. But I won't spoil it, and you guys can just go ahead and watch the video now, and I hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, I don't know if I'm gonna put the b-roll stuff I've taken before this or after this, but just wanted to kind of start the video, although I'll probably film a different intro. I don't know why the lighting keeps changing, by the way. My phone's a little messed up. But I'm crocheting using Feels Like Bliss for the first time. I recently went to Michael's and I got orange Feels Like Bliss, black Feels Like Bliss, or like gray, black, and white Feels Like Bliss. I've never purchased this yarn before or tried it. It's $10 at Michael's, but I got it for $6.99 because there was just a 30% off sale at Michael's. And then I also got a ball of burlap blanket white yarn that I've been wanting for a project, but I don't know if I'm gonna use that in this video. I think I'm just gonna do the Feels Like Bliss in this video, and I'm super excited because ever since Fiona used Feels Like Bliss, actually since before that, I have really wanted to try it. Ever since I think I saw Crochet by Jenna use it for the first time, which was a very long time ago now, like pretty much when it first came out. I've wanted to try it since then, but they didn't have it in Canada for a while, I don't think. But I also don't go to Michael's very much. And then eventually they brought it here, and I was so excited. And I recently also did a fall Pinterest board video where I took you guys through my dream fall Pinterest board of everything I wanted to crochet this fall. And this was on my list. So I was deciding between the puffin plushie and the fox plushie, but I decided the fox was best to start with because if I did the puffin, I would have to have bought yellow as well. And I just didn't want to spend the money on a whole nother ball of yarn for like one row of yellow. So I decided to just go with the 3 colors and do a fox. And I found a tutorial that I think is gonna work. It's turning out cute so far, but I'm not sure. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like so far. I did just show you on the b-roll, but this is what it looks like. It looks like a little like orange whale, like if it had like, it looks like a mini whale, like if it had fins and stuff. It's so cute though. I put the eyes lower than the tutorial suggested because I am going off of a reference photo that I want to follow a little bit closer than like the tutorial, plus the tutorial is not using Feels Like Bliss, so I'm a little worried about it, but I'm hoping for the best. This might be a little bit of trial and error. I might need to kind of come up with my own pattern, but I'm trying to stick to the tutorial for as long as I can, and I don't want to gap your guys' ears off. But my initial thoughts of this yarn is that I really like it. Fiona also really liked it, which made me think I was gonna like it too, because usually like if she likes something, I'm definitely gonna like it, because I don't know, like sometimes she doesn't have very much patience for like trickier yarns or anything, and I feel like I have a little bit more, but I really like it. I don't find it difficult to work with. I feel like I can see my stitches better than I thought I was going to, and it's going pretty smoothly. I'm using a 6.5 hook because that's what Fiona used. It recommends a 9, but who is using a 9 with this yarn? Honestly, it's only a weight 5, so typically I would use a 6.5 or a 6, and I definitely could use a 6 with this. I've seen people use a 4 and a 5 with this, so I definitely could have done that, but I don't know, I wanted it to be like a decent size, and this is turning out pretty well. So I'm gonna continue with this tonight, and I'll let you guys know how far I get on it, but I think I'm gonna just stop with the b-roll so I can just like kind of lock in. And yeah, I'm enjoying it so far a lot, so let's just keep on going and I'll update you guys when I have anything to say. Hey guys, I am wearing the same shirt as last night, but it is a new day. It's like almost 3 o'clock. I'm probably gonna crochet a little bit now. Last night I ended up getting the head and the body done of the fox. So today I'm gonna be working on the legs and the arms and the tail and the ears, whatever else I get to, you know? It's going pretty well so far. It did get much harder to crochet using this yarn once I stuffed the head, because you made the head and then you like continued the body at the same time without cutting off. So it's pretty difficult to do that, but I always find that difficult once I stuff a part of the project to keep crocheting, just because you have to hold it up and stuff. Like, it's just awkward. So that's the only like challenge I've had so far. But other than that, I'm excited to continue the fox. It is turning out pretty cute. The tutorial I was using had 2 rows on the body of just like 1 single crochet around, but I'm pretty sure I did at least 7 rows, but I think I did like 8 or 9 of just 1 single crochet around. So the body of mine is a lot longer than the one in the video, but like I just thought it looked kind of weird, like no offense, because I think the final product is really cute of hers, but that's just not what I wanted for mine. So I went with like a longer body and I think it looks cute. I'm also gonna do a white patch on the front of the body because I didn't want to color change and do that, but I'm probably gonna sew one on because I like the way that looks. And other than that, I think I'm just gonna get started. I probably won't do any b-roll, but I'll let you guys know if I get anything done today. Here by myself for the rest of the day and night. So I probably will do a lot of crocheting, because what else do I really have to do? School? No. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started. Guys, you just misread the pattern, and I thought it said rows 3 to 9 1 single crochet, so I did 7 rows. That was row 3, 9 single crochets around, so I have to take all this apart. Hey guys, so I finished the legs and the arms for the fox, and I think I've just accepted at this point that it's not gonna look how I want. Yeah, it's not gonna look anything like the picture that I wanted it to look like, but that's okay because like I wasn't using the same pattern, so how could I expect it to look the same, you know? Anyways, I think it's still gonna be cute and we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. This is my first time trying Feels Like Bliss, so we're gonna make it work. The good news is I think I'm gonna have enough yarn to make the puffin as well, because honestly there hasn't been a dent made in any of these. Even the orange like still has a lot left, and for the puffin I would only need it for the beak and maybe the feet, I don't know, but that's good news. So I do still have to make the ears. Oh, and I guess I have to make a tail too, so that's gonna take more yarn, but I still think I'll have enough. So anyways, I did forget to put like long tails for sewing on the legs, so that's annoying, but I'll just reattach the yarn, it's fine. But I think I'm gonna take a break for now. I don't know, I probably shouldn't take a break because I have nothing better to do, but I'm a little bit tired. Like, I don't really like making a bunch of limbs, honestly. Like, that's my least favorite part about making plushies, especially like no-sew plushies or not no-sew plushies. But it's like worth it for this. It just like makes me like tired a bit faster, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little break maybe, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I did finish all the arms and legs, and this is the body and the head. I'm gonna embroider the nose on later, but also I think you have to make a snout, so I have to make that too. Dang it, I thought I was almost done. Oh well, it's fine. Okay, as you guys saw, I didn't take much of a break. I just continued crocheting pretty much. I did the ears. Oh wait, I'm not done yet. I'm gonna make white triangles for the insides of the ears, so I still have to do that. But I did them, and then I did the tail, and then I did the snout or muzzle, it says. I don't know. But I guess I still have to do the white insides of the ears and the white belly. So that's fun, but I probably will go eat dinner now because I'm very hungry. Guys, I finished the box. I can't even believe it. When did I start working on this? Like 2 days ago? 1 day ago? Ready to see it? 3, 2, 1. It's so cute, actually. I love it. The ears are kind of crooked, but that's okay. I'll fix them, don't worry. But it's like really cute. I like the tail like this, like, because it looks more like the picture, but obviously it doesn't really look very much like the picture, but it still feels like Bliss. Soft little guy, and like the arms and legs are stuffed, but the arms are less stuffed. I kind of wish the legs were the same as the arms, but they aren't. I would definitely change a lot of like this pattern if I remade it, but I am really happy with like a lot of the choices I made. Like, I'm glad I did the ears differently and like added the white on the stomach, and I like the nose too. Like on the nose part, I color changed so that it was orange and it lines up with the sides nicely, so I like that part of it. It's like a little baby, guys. I can't. It's so cute. So overall, I think he turned out super cute. I love it. I don't know if I'm gonna make anything else in this video because I feel like I don't have very much footage. But anyways, I will also give you my thoughts on Feels Like Bliss now that I have completed a full project with it. So this was my first time using Feels Like Bliss. I told you a few times like what my thoughts were on it as I was working, but these are gonna be my final thoughts. I think I love it. It's definitely expensive. I did get it on sale, as I mentioned, but for the price, you know, I wanted it to be good, and it was. I really enjoyed working with it. I think I enjoyed working with it more than like Burnout Blanket, although it's thinner, so I think I just prefer like a thinner hook. Although this is a 6.5, so it's not too thin. I would probably use a 5mm or 5.5mm in the future, but honestly I like how anything kind of works with this yarn because you can't really see the stitches and you can't really see through the stitches. So that's not really an issue, and you don't really have to like think too much about the hook size, although I personally don't think I would go all the way up to a 9 like it suggests. Other than that, I really love the way that it looks like crocheted together, and I really enjoyed actually working with it. Like I said, I think I like it more than Burnout Blanket, and I also think I like it more than Burnout Velvet because Fiona warned me when I was starting this project that the yarn feels like really slippery and it's kind of hard to like get a good tension, and I definitely do agree with her on that, but at the same time I feel like yarns like velvet yarn are even worse, if not the same, because the velvet yarns are so smooth, like they have like no texture, it's just like smooth, whereas this one, it's like almost braided together or something, so it's like kind of bumpy, and I feel like that helps a little bit with the tension. So I liked it. Well, I definitely got tired while I was doing it like with my hands, but I always do, just because of the way I hold my hook and stuff and hold the yarn. My hands always get tired when I crochet, so it was really nothing out of the ordinary for me, and I would definitely use this yarn again and purchase more of it. I do think I definitely have enough to make another project, which is amazing, because I was like debating buying like 2 skeins of orange, and like I definitely didn't have to do that. So that is so amazing, and I do really like this final product. Again, I would change a few things about it to make it more like the reference photo, but don't even think about the reference photo anymore. Just think about how cute this guy is, because I honestly do think he's very cute. And also, guys, comment down below what you think I should name him, because he needs a very cute name, okay? So comment your name suggestions and I'll pick one. Okay guys, and that is going to be it for today's vlog of trying Feels Like Bliss yarn. I really hope you enjoyed my review, and I hope you enjoyed the finished plushie that we made. I think it is so cute, and I can't wait to make another plushie. Like I mentioned, I really want to make a puffin, but I don't have the yellow yarn yet still, even though I filmed this video a long time ago. I think I'm going to get the yellow yarn next week though, so I'll make sure to post another vlog when I do crochet the puffin, because I can't wait to use this yarn again and make more things with it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like it if you liked it and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Vlogs are literally my favorite videos to make, so hopefully we will be seeing a lot more of them soon. I actually already have 1 or 2 vlogs already going right now as I'm filming this, so get excited for more vlogs coming soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will see you next time. Bye!